Hello everyone, I am Karla, an intern here at the Marilyn Magaram Center. Today for Food Science Friday, we will be discussing a unique beverage known as kombucha. First, what is kombucha? It is a fermented tea made from sugar and symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, known as SCOBY. This beverage is considered acidic due to its pH ranging from 3.5 to 4.5. Also, kombucha is considered to be a good source of probiotics due to the SCOBYs providing healthy gut flora to our intestines. Before we get started, you will need the following ingredients and tools: 3.5 quarts of water, 1 cup of sugar, 8 bags of black tea, 2 cups of starter kombucha, along with 1 SCOBY from a previous batch. If you don't have a SCOBY, you can purchase a original flavor kombucha from the store and use 2 cups. For tools, you need a measuring cup, 1 gallon glass jar, 1 stirring spoon, 1 rubber band, and 1 small cotton washcloth or cheesecloth. This is what your starter kit will look like. We will start by boiling the water for the black tea. You will brew the 8 bags for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes have passed, you add the sugar and use your spoon to stir until the sugar has dissolved. Let the tea cool down before adding your SCOBY, or the heat will destroy it. Once your tea is ready for your SCOBY, make sure you include some of your kombucha along with your SCOBY. By doing this, you are incorporating some of the bacteria from the previous batch to help the SCOBY adjust. For store-bought one, you just need to add the 2 cups of the original flavored kombucha. After you have poured in your SCOBY or the 2 cups of the store-bought kombucha, you will use the washcloth to cover the glass jar and use the rubber band to secure the washcloth. Using a cotton washcloth or cheesecloth is important because the materials such as paper towels can get inside and unwanted bacteria or mold will grow on your SCOBY. Now, storing is another important step. Store the jar in a place that is out of direct sunlight at a room temperature. I leave mine in a storage cabinet that is dark on my kitchen, away from the stove and fridge. After 7 to 10 days, you can check your kombucha and you should see a new layer of SCOBY. One thing to keep in mind is that the longer you ferment your kombucha, the more sour it will become. Now, how do you know you are growing a healthy SCOBY? A healthy SCOBY is brown and has a rubber, almost gelatin texture. It's slimy with the strings that can go underneath, and it's round just like shown in the picture. I will play the video to give you a better view of my SCOBY. Mold can be identified because it's always dry with fuzzy dry spots. You also can test the pH by pouring out some of the liquid and test it. You can use pH strips or a digital indicator. Now you know how to make kombucha. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to find out more about the history of kombucha and get the full recipe, visit the Magaram Center Nutrition Expert blog that we'll be posting on the caption. Thank you and have a good one.